Hey everybody, are you going to grow tomato plants in your garden this year, or any kind of vegetable plants for that matter? If so, you might want to use this stuff right here. This stuff is magical. It's called earthworm castings. If you're looking for a safer and better alternative to use as a fertilizer, as opposed to the chemical-based products made today, then you might want to use this stuff, especially for tomatoes. They love this stuff. It is amazing. Like I said, it's magical. Castings from composting worms have been recognized as a natural fertilizer that is packed with a ton of nutrients and minerals. Worm castings contain minerals such as concentrated nitrates, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. So, like, worm castings have everything, and it's 100% organic fertilizer, so it's very healthy for you. So, you go to a couple stores. I think Tractor Supply has it. This is Walmart here, and you can see for a bag of this, this is natural plant food. Like I said, it improves overall soil structure. It increases the water and nutrients, so it like helps hold the water. This small bag here is like $6. So you sprinkle a little bit around the plants. It's like a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch layer around the base of the plant. And that's what I'm doing here. But it doesn't go real far for this little bag. You can buy bigger bags, but I'm just showing you for $6. Look what you can do, and you would be so surprised what it can do for your garden. I mean, if you look here, you can use it for fruit, you can use it for potted plants and mixes, you could put it on your trees and shrubs. It's limitless what it can do. This stuff is amazing. It's the gardener's best kept secret. It literally has so many benefits, I can't even name them all. It's like when the soil is healthy, then your plants will be able to gain more from it, and the soil will be able to provide what the plants need. A healthy soil base is that which is also free from disease and harmful pesticides and stuff like that. So you'll be able to keep the plants rooted and protected from possible elements as well. I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. You ask any gardener and they are using it. You can actually make it yourself, but it's kind of tough to make it. You got to be really set up for it. So I'm trying it out this year for $6. And as you can see, you could put it on pepper plants too. These are my pepper plants. I think I spread this over 10 different plants between the peppers and the tomatoes. And it's well worth it for $6. That's less than $1 per plant, but the results will be amazing. And it's also breaking down the soil. It's making it better for future. I can't even name all the benefits, but